Standard jobs exporting XLIFF and Word documents. This export option has several important uses. You have the ability to either export the document as an XLIFF file or to export the document using Microsoft's Office Word program. This allows you to import the information into other external systems. Or it gives you the ability to import the text into other editing tools. You can also use the Word document to work when no internet access is available. The process of selecting the information to include is the same as with the other export options. Checking the box next to the job reference will include the assets from this job in the export file. Clicking on the box next to the job reference header will include all jobs listed on this page. If you do not select any jobs, then the system will export all the assets for the jobs shown across all pages. After selecting the desired assets, click on the Export button to open the Export menu window. The tool only has the capacity to export 1,000 jobs at a time. The first step is to select which format you would like to export. We will be looking at what is exported using Microsoft Word. By default, all the source and translated texts will be included. Additionally, you can decide if you would like to also export the comments or memory matches. While you can export several assets at the same time through this tool, you will have to individually import them back into the CAT editor when finished. In addition to the selected documents, the system will automatically create a summary of the information in an Excel file. To create your file, simply click on Download. Depending on the number of files requested, this may take a second or two. The requested files will download as a zip drive. Each job has an individual folder in the zip drive, containing the assets from that job. Let's first look at the summary. This overview shows all the important details included in your zip drive. The last two columns contain the links to each document in the CAT editor. This is where you will import the finished document back into the editor to finish the job. Now let's open one of the Word documents. Simply open the desired job folder and the desired task folder. We then see the exported Word document. Double-click to open the document. The document has several columns that contain different information. At the top, we see the language headers and comments section. In the first column, we see the source text, followed by the target language text. We chose to export the document with memory matches. Here we see those memory hits highlighted in green and blue. We also chose to include translated text. Here we see a segment that has been translated prior to exporting. If the text has not yet been translated, and there are no memory hits, then the segment will be empty. Here, you may enter the translation directly into the Word document. Remember to save any changes that you make. We will be looking later at how to import your translation back into the editor.